So it seems like Velocity is recovering. It's mostly her back legs that hurt her still, but that was about maybe 2 months ago. So these legs, this one, see, she's moving. See, your legs used to drag before. You had to watch other videos to see that, but let's see if she can climb. Leg, yep. So the goal is to get another one that the kids can possibly take better care of. How you doing? That's why I gotta get home so quick to make sure she gets proper water and stuff. Hold on 1 second. There she goes. So this Velocity Vector died months ago. Something that happened. She's alive and well. I was doing drone training with the students today. Mostly young ladies, and they were asking about her because she opened her mouth. There she goes. And yes, stripped a video from Facebook and shared this with you, but she's alive and well, like you was asking. And I'm going to try to get another one for the classroom to replace Vector. I'm not sure what I'm going to name them, but this is Velocity. So you can stop asking about Vector. All right? Take care.